So the resupply is coming together more and more every day. This is the newly updated version after our very first guest, which was crazy exciting and wonderful. So let me talk you through. Obviously, we've got the gravity chairs, which are awesome. We've got the ice chest, which also serves as a great bench. Again, power, a bunch of lights along the walls because there's no electricity in here. A lot of sealed containers for food and just anything that mice could potentially be interested in. This is really cool because it can be plugged into the power supply, and it's kind of a very low-tech refrigerator, which means I can leave food for people. Got utensils, like this whole thing is food, and so this one is still empty. I'm gonna see what I can do with that. Water, obviously, a ton of medical supplies, backup poles, backup sleeping bag, more medical supplies, dog stuff, bags, markers, obviously, utensils, merch, again, like more medical, personal care. You get the idea. Everything you could possibly need, including stuff for your dog, chairs. This is the leave something, take something box that someone at the Travel Bug talk suggested, which is a phenomenal suggestion. And so here we've got an old tent, a couple of sleeping pads, actually 3 of them, if you wanted to go that route. Tent stakes, fishing pole, a lot of water replacement, so like bladders, also mouthpieces, little bite valves, which I think a lot of us discover, a whole thing for socks and hats. These are also rain pants should you want them. I'm donating a ton of my old gear, and also if you would like to donate some of your gear that you think would be really high value for the resupply, that would be great. Not looking for anything like superfluous, but if you think it's something that someone who's been a week on the trail would really want, that would be great. Again, as before, we've got all the recharge, the power station, a couple more battery packs. These are all like battery related things, plus chargers. So if you've got your own batteries, you can use them. If you don't want to wait, you can borrow one of those and swap out. Maps, because maps, guest book, even something to heat a little cup of coffee if you want, or tea, or whatever you're into. Backup table, dog bowl, trash bins, and a bin for stinky trash. And so that's kind of where it is right now. The thing that this does not have is a bathroom. And so before you come here, you really need to think about that. There is a bathroom right on your way if you're doing the northbound, starting at Santa Fe, going to Taos route. There is a public restroom. Highly recommend you take care of that before you get here, because there are no bathrooms. This is where we are for this year. Maybe next year we'll actually have a place that would have a bathroom and like beds and kitchen and crazy stuff like that. But here we are for now.